people. So this is Anas with me, and you know this cute little book exhibition here. It is called the Book Buffet, and it is at it's very close to the Peddamagudi, the metro station, and the kind of like I keep visiting different places, and I do these short little videos, right? So I'm so impressed with the overall, you make anyone feel welcome. So I think that's very important with regard to any store, that they should make you feel. So because I was there last Friday, I was at the other place, So, but yeah, DMart. But I did a very short video there. But here, this is my second video I'm doing. So full credit to this young man because he does it so well. And he's just a college student, I guess. But he already has the trappings of an entrepreneur. So that's really good. I have lots of female subscribers.
Do visit to our store for the good collections in cheap prices.
Yeah, correct. And this store will be here. It will not be getting, it won't be shifting out. So that's a good thing. So really, people, I took you all through the place there, and I always make just 1 minute, 2 minute long videos. So this is 1 minute long. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.